Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the truck driver guy. The reason I'm stopped. Look, the reason I stopped. I'm in Wyoming right now. Look how strong is the wind. Look at that. Look, guys, that's incredible. It's 80 miles per hour right now. Look, wind is very strong, and my truck is all shaking. So I-80 is close now for the trucks. You see those guys, they going to whatever they're going. Well, this is up to them, because there's a warning on the freeway that I-80 is closed for commercial trucks due to the road conditions. Due to the road condition is closed. You see, another truck is coming here because of the road conditions. We're not going anywhere. So we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait to the morning. And look what happened to the garbage. Wind is so strong that it's very dangerous. Yeah, guys, and this is another safety bonus for you. When it's very windy and when it's very strong winds, guys, never risk. You see, Swift driver went and he's going somewhere. Well, good luck. I wish him to be everything okay on the road, but I don't know why people don't read the signs. There is a big signs. That's why a lot of trucks, they go on the truck stops to